Welcome to my how-to guide on how to activate and deactivate the child lock setting on an LG dryer. We'll turn it on. And what we're going to do is select any cycle and we'll push start. Now once in cycle you can pause it. You can't select any of the options. Oh, you can change the buzzer, and that's it. You can also turn it off. So to activate the child lock, you have to press the high temperature and low temperature buttons together. Press and hold. It beeps, and now CL comes into display and it flashes periodically from the time remaining and CL. Doesn't work. Power off still works. But child lock still remains. So when it's not in use, and again at the end of the cycle, everything remains locked out until the child lock is turned back off. So to turn the child lock off again, press high temperature and low temperature. Now you can turn it on, and we can now select the cycle and any options. Maybe there's probably a bit of a design flaw on this machine, as the LG washing machine, which I've also done with the child lock, the on-off button then didn't turn off the machine. So that's the child lock feature. In my opinion, for this child lock, it's a bit pointless. Yes, your kids can put them up and put on buzzer, or turn off the buzzer. Well, that's also pause the machine, but that's about it. Other than that, the child lock still allows the machine to be switched off, which, when it's in mid-cycle, forgets where it's up to, which means you have to then spend an extra drying process to try and sense the load. Sometimes that means it can get it wrong, or perhaps not even sense the load correctly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful to use on your own LG dryer at home. Thank you for watching.